So let me show you guys how to install LM Studio on Windows 11. So LM Studio is used to set up AI models on your local machine. So open your browser and search LM Studio. Press enter. Click the official link lmstudio.ai. From here, click download for Windows and wait for the file to be downloaded. So the download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. So let's agree with the license agreement. So click I agree. So choose the installation options. You can click anyone who uses this computer and click next. Click yes. So license agreement once again, click I agree. So it will be installed in this location, but if you want to change your directory, click browse and select the location of your choice. So from here, click install. And you can see that our setup is complete as well as installation. So you can uncheck this so that you can't open when you click finish. So let's open LM Studio. So double click. And you can see our interface for the LM Studio. So that's how to download and install LM Studio on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.